What's the meaning of crossbreed? Crossbreed. Crossbreed.
Crossbreed. Crossbreed. Crossbreed refers to the practice of breeding two different species or varieties of animals or plants in order to create offspring with desired traits. The resulting hybrid, or crossbreed, may exhibit characteristics that are a combination of the traits of both parent species or may display entirely new traits. Crossbreeding is often used in agriculture and animal husbandry to improve productivity or adaptability of livestock and crops. However, it can also have negative effects on biodiversity if not done carefully and responsibly. Overall, crossbreeding can be a valuable tool for creating new varieties of plants and animals with desirable traits.